Ever dreamt of ditching the old-school bank with its stuffy branches and hidden fees? Well, the world of neobanks is booming, offering sleek apps and features that promise a more convenient banking experience. But are they the real deal? Today, we're diving deep into Neon, a popular Swiss neobank, to answer the burning question, is Neon a real bank? Let's face it, traditional banks can feel like relics of a bygone era. Paperwork, long queues, and unclear fees can leave you frustrated. Neobanks, on the other hand, are all about a digital-first approach. They operate entirely online, offering user-friendly apps and transparent pricing. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But with all the hype surrounding neobanks, a big question mark hangs over their legitimacy. Can you trust them with your hard-earned cash? Here's where Neon gets interesting. Neon, not your typical neobank. Unlike many neobanks, Neon doesn't actually hold a banking license itself. This might raise some eyebrows, but hold on. Neon partners with a licensed Swiss bank, Hypothekarbank Lenzburg, to provide you with a real Swiss bank account. Think of it like this: Neon is the cool, app-based interface you use to manage your money, while Hypothekarbank Lenzburg acts as the secure vault holding your cash. This partnership allows Neon to offer the convenience of a neobank with the security and peace of mind of a traditional bank. Benefits of banking with Neon. So, why choose Neon over a traditional bank? Here are some compelling reasons. Mobile-first convenience. Manage your finances entirely through Neon's intuitive app. Say goodbye to branch visits. Transparent fees. Neon offers different account options with clear fee structures. No hidden charges to surprise you. Competitive rates. Enjoy competitive exchange rates and low fees for international transactions. Perfect for globetrotters. Modern features. Split bills with friends, categorize your spending, and set budgeting goals, all within the app. Is there a catch? While Neon offers a bunch of perks, it's not without limitations. Since it relies on Hypothekarbank Lenzburg, some advanced features like investment options might not be readily available through Neon. Additionally, Neon services are currently limited to Switzerland. The verdict: Neon's legit or not? Here's the bottom line: Neon isn't a traditional bank itself, but it provides access to a real Swiss bank account through its partnership with Hypothekarbank Lenzburg. Your money is protected by deposit insurance, just like with any other bank account in Switzerland. So, Neon offers the best of both worlds, the innovative app and user-friendly experience of a neobank with the security and trust of a traditional bank. Neon might be right for you if you're based in Switzerland and looking for a convenient, mobile-first banking experience. You value transparent fees and competitive rates. You appreciate modern features like budgeting tools and split bill functionality. Before you jump in, while Neon seems like a solid option, it's always wise to do your research. Consider your banking needs and compare Neon's offerings with other neobanks and traditional banks in Switzerland. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.